Hello guys, welcome back to brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Mame32Games on your Android. As you know about Mame32Games, we played classic games on Android and PC also. Those days was so amazing, and also nobody cares about the graphics. Well, let's start the video. Now simply you have to do is to go to Play Store first and download this emulator Mame for Android. And when you download it, just simply go to Chrome and search WowROMs, okay, and then first link you will see wowroms.com. Go there and click on search room, and the games you want to download, just simply type their name and type Mame for Android with Mame for Android. Like I search Cadillac, I don't know, I'm typing the spellings are wrong, I guess. Cadillac dinosaur, I don't know that. Mame for Android. So simply type this. Any game you can download, and you can see there Cadillacs and dinosaurs Mame 0.139 that we have. Just click on this and simply go to, you can download the emulator from here also, and just simply download the ROM file. After clicking on that, just wait for 5 seconds and then click here. After clicking here, just go back. Okay, so now simply go to zArchiver, go to download and find the file that you downloaded. So here the file name dino.zip, and just click on cut and then go to Mame for Android folder. This folder will come automatically when you download the emulator. Okay, so go here and then put this in ROM folder. Okay, after that, like you can see Alien vs Predator file also there before I downloaded. So now open your Mame for Android, and if this emulator say something like allow it, and click on yes. After that, option will come again, so just click on yes. Okay, so here there are two ROMs, so let's start the Cadillacs and dinosaurs. Yeah, just simply click on B and click on B again, and move these joysticks to left to right, just like this, and then click on coin button for the credits, and then start again by choosing the character. Okay, so if you want to play this on full screen, so click on option button, option, settings, and then just go down here, and here the full screen option. If this not enabled, so enable it. After enabling, just rotate your mobile so you can play on full screen now.
We learned the hard way. Wow, we settled for the wrong thing. And I thought the love was only you. But we were something we got used to. We got too caught up, 'cause
that like button and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.